Welcome to my wealth space, and thank you for joining me. A lot has been kind of going on lately in the stock market. We've seen crypto kind of going down. It goes down, then it pick up again, then it goes down again, and it's just going up and down, and in between all the activities that seems to be going on, we have to kind of pay attention to why do we think that is, and where do we think is going and now, or what we have to have a strategy. What is our strategy? I understand that on this channel we always want to have a long-term investment. That is the strategy that we adopt. So I want us to continue to have that in our mind. So even when it's going up and down, we are not trading. I'm not encouraging day trading. Now, if you know what you're doing, if you understand how it works, then I mean you can do whatever you want to do. I'm not an financial advisor. I'm just someone that's just trying to share the little that I know with us, and I've been able to identify that the way you build wealth is in the long term. It takes time. Building wealth takes time, and that is the psychology that I'm trying to instill in us, if I could, for us to think and understand it that way. That is taking time. It's going to take time. It's a strategy that seems to work all the time. So despite the fact that crypto has been going down, I'm paying my attention on one of these on one of the player, one of the company in crypto. I look at it and it's acting kind of different from all of that, coins. And I'm talking about MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a company that started as a software developer and marketer and all the rest of them through cloud licensing to companies in the area of analytics support for other companies. But lately, just like the financial institution now, it seems like people, institution buyers now they are paying attention to crypto, and MicroStrategy now is strategizing themselves. They are strategizing themselves to be a big player. As a matter of fact, right now they are big player because they have owned a lot of Bitcoin. They own a lot of the Bitcoin. I believe they own the highest Bitcoin. Don't hold me to that because it seems like BlackRock is right behind them, or so they both fought them back. So I'm just saying that MicroStrategy, they are strategically positioning themselves, to be in charge of Bitcoin. They own a lot of Bitcoin. The last time I checked, I think they own like 117,000 Bitcoin, and it continues to grow. This company it seems to be, a company to reckon with when it comes to Bitcoin in particular, because they have a chunk, they have a whole lot of Bitcoin. And when you have that much number of Bitcoin, then you can do whatever you want to do. You can kind of affect the market either way. So this is how you kind of look into things, to see through things that is going on, and for you to be able to act accordingly to what you are perceiving, or what you are seeing. So MicroStrategy, all this while there are things be going down in crypto. I remember about a month ago, it went down from $1,600 into somewhere around 1,040. So when it gets there, that is opportunity to actually position yourself, for me to position myself in MicroStrategy. At that time, 1,040. So I did what I want to do. So it went up back to 1700. And when it gets to 1700, I was, look like, okay, now we make some, good change, and we good now. Then this time, Bitcoin start falling, everything start falling, different things, crypto start going down, and MicroStrategy went down. But it went down, nothing compared to the way that I perceived is supposed to go down. Because normally when Bitcoin, goes up 1%, MicroStrategy possibly will go up 3%. And if Bitcoin go up 3%, MicroStrategy will probably go up 7%. That is how it usually works. So now coming down the same way, but lately it's not that way. So it's signaling to me that this company seems like people are believing in it, and it seems to be more stable than any other coin, because I keep my eyes on it. So I want you to kind of look at MicroStrategy and see if it's something. You can buy $10, share of it, buy fractional share. Buy $20, whatever you can afford. You don't have to necessarily buy, the whole coin or the whole share. Now it's sitting at 1400. It even when Bitcoin kept going down, MicroStrategy just stick right there at 1400, 1450, 1465, 1445, 14. It just stayed right there at 14. It's not going with Bitcoin. So I'm just bringing to us that we might want to look at MicroStrategy, MicroStrategy, and see how it's been performing, and see if it's something that you are interested in, because it's just kind of surprised me that it was holding steady like that. That's why I bring it for us to share, just to share it with us. Now let me just show you what we're talking about. Also when it comes to MicroStrategy. So right now it is 14. It's 1483. It went up 1.25% today, and let's look at the last 5 days. You see, it went down by 1.41. Last 1 month, it went down 10%, and 6 months it has been up 154% in the last 6 months, and in the last 1 year it has gone up 116, and year to date, 116, and last 1 year, a year ago, it has gone up 347% up. 347% up. Actually, let's look at max. This is the max for MicroStrategy. It started with 121, went up to 2003, then it came down. You see what it came down to? 33 and 40, and even as low as $7. Right there, it's as low as $7. It went down, and now it's just going sideways for years, and now it's up there now at 1,480. So let's look at how stable it's been performing. That's what surprises me. The way you see how it's going sideways. Meanwhile, if you look at Bitcoin, just put Bitcoin there, and we see Bitcoin has been going down. Okay, Bitcoin has been going down faster than the MicroStrategy. So that is why I'm saying, say 3% in the last 5 days, 8% in the last 1 month, and 46% in the last 6 months. But if you look at the MicroStrategy, it is different. It's different. So I just want us to kind of find look at a way where we can take advantage or look at what is going on with MicroStrategy and see if we can invest in it. And again, let's just look at what the experts are expecting MicroStrategy to be. Of course, look at it. It's a strong buy. MicroStrategy is a strong buy, and the target for the next 12 months is 2,230, which is about 50% upward trend is expected in the next 12 months. And the average, it said the average price target is 2,230, 33 cents, with a high forecast of 2,890, and the low forecast is 1,800. That is the low forecast. The low forecast is 1,800. Okay, so but if you look at it right now, if you look at MicroStrategy right now, it's actually $1,400. I just think there is a way that we can take advantage of the opportunity. See, it's 1483, and the lowest of that they said forecast, the lowest forecast is 1,800. So we have opportunity to go upward trend, and that is why I'm bringing it to us to say, you know, we just have to look at MicroStrategy and take advantage of whatever it presents to us. And if you look at other forecasts, let's look at other forecasts and see what they say. They say this is the prediction from MicroStrategy. They say by 2027 it will be 5,000. 2028 it will be 7,000. By 2030 it will be 17,000 for one share of MicroStrategy, which we're talking about in the next 6 years. So it will be that in the next 6 years. So even though it doesn't go that far, but I'm just showing us to say, you know, the opportunity for upward trend is there. You know, it says 17,000. Even if it's 4,000, we're still making profit. We're still making money. So I want us, just sharing it with us to share, to look at MicroStrategy. If this is your first time, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, and I would like you to comment on this video, and also, you know, to do your own research and share this video. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.